In this video, we got another X-Maxx. And we got some hop-ups. We got Sen hinge pins, we got GDS spurs, Max 6 ESC, Savox servo, Bluetooth module, lipos, connectors, pinion. By the way, this one's for Ian, it's not mine. Oh, we got the blue one. Oh, it's looking all fresh. What's happening with that?
That's coming out.
So, on this one, we've actually managed to get the Max 6 in there and not take this brace out. We just fold a little bit off of this bit here, where the aerial goes through, butted it up, and it all fits. So next, we've got to put in the Sen hinge pin. It's on the front. The only place that I put it is there, because these ones never pop out anyway. On the rear, we put it everywhere except for there. Oh, check it out. Alright, so now we're fitting the GDS spur gear, and all you got to do is on this plastic carrier thing, you got to shave off these little plastic bits either side of the bolt holes. We got Vinny in the house! What are you doing? This is the repair from yesterday's monstrosity. Hey, it's the flat earther. Hey, she's ready. Look at that, brand new. How long is it going to look brand new for? Getting some footage. It's not going to look like this for long, so take it in while you can. I'll set him a challenge where he can't hurt the body all day. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. We're off to the skate park now. That'll be in tomorrow's video. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. You know what to do. See you soon. Bye.
I think the wheels off.